right, guys, I'm here with two traders that are learning about the opportunity of Trade the Pool. Trade the Pool is a stock trading prop firm, right? I'm sure you guys have probably heard of the Forex versions that are out there and futures versions that are out there. So essentially, we're a stock prop that gives you the ability to get to the capital that probably you guys are looking for, right? I mean, majority of us younger traders, we're trying to get outside of the PDT rule, right?
Right.
I don't know. Hopefully Trump will end that. But, you know, one thing that we're looking at is getting for the buying power, right? The buying power that you guys need to get to that level, right? So we got different packages from as low as 5,000 up to 200,000, right? And what it gives you the ability is the lower package is 47 up to 1,250, but it gives you that ability that if you are a good trader, you can pass our eval, you can go ahead and start to really make some money. So do you guys do some day trading right now?
I don't really go and do much day trading in my life.
Okay, were you just kind of looking into the investment, the opportunity, learning?
Yeah, because I just turned 18 recently, so I'm like, first job, first this month. So I just want to go and learn how to go and do things now.
Yeah, I can't blame you, man. You know, one of the things I always say is that you got to start somewhere, right? I mean, and I think it's very important. Like you said, you're 18, you're starting to get into that adult life and you want to figure out how you can make some investments. I think, one of the things that I say that's important, especially if you're going to day trade often, is try to trade often, right? Because the only way we learn, it's like riding a bike, right? If you only rode the bike one time a week, you're not going to be really good at riding a bike. But if you do it every single day, you ride that bike every day, you start to learn a little bit something. And you, my friend, do you do some day trading?
Yes, I do some day trading. I actually traded in the conference hall early this morning for market open.
That's what I'm talking about, man. And what kind of trader are you? A trend trader? Do you drive momentum?
I don't really have a set rule base that I stick to. I do actually like to scalp a lot, so I'll stay in a position for 1 to 5 minutes, and anything longer than that, I feel like my positions get eaten alive by theta. So,
well, this is the perfect opportunity because we actually have scalping rules in place, but the minimum hold time 30 seconds.
there you go.
So you know what I mean? We want you to hold it for a second or two, but you know what I mean? 30 seconds leaves you that room to get what you're looking for, right? 1 minute, 3 minute breakout, and then get the heck out, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Take your money and run.
Yep.
But one of the things with that strategy, right, we need to have cash, right?
Right.
Because you're probably going to need a little bit of size, minimal risk, which is what we're all about too, right?
Yep.
But you need the size to actually make the return, right? Because if you have 100 shares and you get a 10-cent breakout, what are we really getting, guys?
Yeah.
$10, right? I talk that, that's lunch money trading.
Right.
You know what I mean? I don't think we need lunch money. We want a little bit more. Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
So the idea here is to give you guys the access to the buying power that you guys are looking for. So take a look into us, check out what we have to offer, guys. It'll give you an ability to go ahead and maybe take that next step up. Maybe you're at the PDT or right close and you're really just trying to push above. This is a great way to maybe not risk your hard-earned money that you've been saving for your non-PDT account, right?
Sure.
That's what I tend to use it for now, is just trying to expand, to take my capital to that next level, but at the same time, not put my own cash to the exposure of risk, right? Because, you trade with your own cash for too long, you're bound to take a hit.
Definitely.
And when you're just trying to get up to that PDT, I mean, that's going to hold us back for a long time.
It's like riding a bike. You got to keep on doing just to learn, but sometimes you go and make mistakes. Heck, sometimes it's not even you, just someone just getting in your way and hurting you.
100%. I talk about it all the time. The market can turn, right? We just had the regional banking scare this morning.
Yep.
Even if you had a great technical chart, a great story, you're looking at nuclear stocks, it came down today, right? That's the market working against you. That's the way life is in investing. And I think the number one thing, take your haircuts, take those losses, and then just look for the winner, right? Because I think a lot of traders struggle with that. But the only way to do that is to trade often, right? Because after you trade often, you start learning, okay, I can keep my risk. And then it's all about, position sizing and taking it to the next level. So yeah, come and join us on our YouTube, guys. We have Trade the Pool YouTube, also on Twitter and different socials. You guys can see me trade live and see filled orders, everything. I show it all, and you'll see me take a couple scalps every now and then.
Nice.
So yeah, I would love to see you guys on the stream. Check out Trade the Pool, guys.
Cool. Thanks, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm just saying.
Jefferson?
Yep.
I appreciate you meet. Hey, I like it, Jefferson. All right, guys, Jefferson here, and what was your name again?
Liam.
Liam. Hey, guys, we got you guys, and like always, we're gonna bring you guys more opportunities with Trade the Pool.
Hi.